Welcome back. Well, it was a nice warm one out there today. 91 the high, 74 the low. You can see how that compares with normals. A fair bit above normal, but not by a whole lot. Typical of May, but these are more June-like numbers, and we're going to get more like June and July as the week wears on, and we head into the weekend as well. But at least it's a quiet pattern, not like last week. Let's get over to the key wall and talk about the wind gusts that we saw last week. We saw several instances of gusts near or over hurricane strength. So I kind of went back and looked at some of the official highest gusts with some of the more notable hurricanes to impact Acadiana and Lafayette. Now, mind you, the Lafayette Airport has never really recorded much more than the numbers that you see right here, considering that we're in a hurricane zone and we've had hyperactivity in hurricanes. It's been Lake Charles, it's been Baton Rouge or New Orleans that's seen the worst weather. So the gust record in Lafayette is kind of surprising. The strongest gust ever recorded at the Lafayette Airport was with Hurricane Audrey almost some 70 years ago, 60 plus and change. Last Monday, we had 2 gusts to 78 miles an hour in that thunderstorm complex. And then you can see where Gustav, the highest gust in Gustav, Delta, Lillian, Andrew were all in the 70s. And then on Thursday, official gust out at the airport, 69. Now, mind you, in all of these events, there were much higher gusts across Acadiana. It's just what was reported out at the airport. But nonetheless, you can see we're up in some rarefied air with that severe weather last week. This week, it's a different story. High pressure building in, shunting the storm track well to our north and west. And that's where we're seeing severe weather busting out this evening up across the high plains and the lee of the Rockies. Now, normally when you have weather cranking up here, we get breezy, but it's kind of far away. But we're going to see a little bit more in the way of an afternoon breezes in the days ahead. Fair skies, just some clouds out there. And we'll see some clouds building on in, maybe some patchy fog by daybreak, mid to upper 70s to start the day, upper 80s, lower 90s in the afternoon. Then we reset, do it again. Looks like more clouds on Wednesday. We might start off with plenty of cloud cover and just go with a little partly sunny skies in the afternoon. So that should temper some of the heat for Wednesday, but we'll see more sunshine going into Thursday, and the trend only warms. So overnight tonight, low to mid 70s. Tomorrow will favor upper 80s to near 90 for a high. Tomorrow night, closer to the mid to upper 70s. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, upper 80s to near 90. And oh yeah, by the way, the heat index will be getting close to 105 down the road. Look out for some patchy fog along and north of I-10, along the I-489 corridor first thing in the morning, but it burns off quickly. Thereafter, there's no other weather issues. So 72 the overnight low tonight. If we're lucky to get that low, might be closer to 73 or 74 as clouds build in. 91% of a flower moon out there. And then tomorrow, another warm one. Morning clouds yielding to intervals of afternoon sun. And overall, a nice day. A little bit more of a southerly breeze late morning into the afternoon hours. And as we move forward toward the end of the week and into the weekend, the heat and humidity builds just a little bit. But more importantly, that heat index will be pushing 105 by this weekend, maybe even a little bit hotter. Hopefully some showers in the middle part of next week. But right now, we're not too high on the rain chances. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little later on.